Hey guys, today we learn a simple function that will help you to add or deduct months from a specified date. So the function is edate. This is a very simple function. So what edate as a function returns is the serial number or the date that represents uh, a particular date which is uh, added or deducted depending on the kind of argument number that you provide. Yeah. Usually the syntax for edate is edate. Then you have to provide the start date and then the months. And this could be an integer in the form of positive or negative number, which should go ahead. If it's a positive number, then it will add those specified number of months in that particular date. If you add a negative number, it will move back to those number of months from a specified date. Yeah. So let's quickly jump into an example. If I say it's equal to e date, yeah, and take this date and add 6 months to it. Okay. So I say comma. I want to add 6 months. It will take me 6 months ahead. That is 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. So ideally it should give me the 11th of April. It is in the form of serial number. I can convert it to a date and it is, let's say it is 10th of May. So it has taken me 6 months ahead of the specific date. Yeah. Now, if I have to do the same thing for this date, yeah, you can see it has taken me 6 months ahead. So 79, it has taken me to 80. Yeah. September, October, November, December, Jan, and the Feb month. Yeah. So if I deduct this date, suppose I have this 29th of December, I want to go 2 months back. So I'll have a negative number. So I'll say add negative. I have to deduct 2 months. So it gives me August. Yeah. Pretty clear. Same way, if I use the same formula by deducting 2 days for the 2 months for this particular date, which is May 29th, it has taken me to March 20th. I can use it on serial number as well. So you can see here, if they convert this serial number to a particular date, then it would have been 12th of July. So let me show you if by converting it to a date, you can see it is, I'm adding 2 months back. Okay, so it is taking me 2 months back. So it is December. So it is taking me 2 months back. Yeah, let me see if I'm doing it right. Yes. Okay. Same way, if I try to do it for any text or incorrect date format, it will give me a value error. Yeah. Same way, if I try to do it for a negative serial number, it will give me a num error. So it will not work on negative serial numbers. Ideally, it has to have a date or a serial number which acts as a date. Okay. So if month is not an integer, it is truncated. But if the date which has been passed as a start date is not in a valid format, then it will give you a value error. Yeah. And if the date resulting from the calculation is not valid Excel date, then edate returns you a num error, as I have shown you right now. Yeah, this is a valid serial number. If I remove this negative sign, then it will give me the proper answer. But since it has a negative sign, it is giving me a num error. Same way, if I use it for a serial number which is far too higher than for the serial number that we would have for 31st December 9019, 999, it will still give me a num error. So we need to see to it that a proper date format is being provided as per your Excel version or the Excel time zone or the Excel format that you're using. Yeah. So as to give you get a proper output out of it. Yeah. So just to make it a bit simple, edate helps you to add or deduct months from a specified date for your calculation. Okay. Hope I was able to make these concepts clear on edate. Hope you understood this various examples that I have shown. Um, if you have liked this video, do like it, share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Excel. Comment if you want me to cover any topics in this 365 days of Excel journey. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, because that's how you are going to get the notification about my future videos. And yes, that will also motivate me to create such free content for your knowledge. Thank you so much.